Okay, let's talk about how to answer these types of questions using the distance and time graph. Question number 1 says, what is happening to the object between 0 and 20 seconds? So remember, the graph represents an object that is moving. It's showing you the distance and the time for the object. So we want to know between 0 and 20 seconds. Well, first of all, we have to know that we're talking about time. Okay, time is on the bottom and distance is on the side over here. And it says seconds, and we know that seconds is time, so we need to look on the bottom, okay? And we're looking at between 0 and 20. Well, here's 0 and here's 20. So let's take a look at our line. It is going straight up. So we need to figure out or remember what that means when a line is going straight up, okay? So we're going to go back to our reference page. And it's actually, let's see, the first slide on your class kick today, okay? And I have a picture of it here. So I'm going to make this bigger really quick. And remember, we are looking for the line that goes straight up, okay? And that's this one right here. It goes straight up. So when the line is going straight up, the object is moving forward at a constant speed. So that's what I would put for my answer on number 1. Okay, I would go ahead and make a text box, and I would say moving forward. Actually, you know what? Let's make it a complete sentence. The object is moving forward at a constant speed, period. Okay. All right, let's look at question number 2. Question number 2 says, what is happening to the object between 20 and 50 seconds? Again, we're talking about seconds, and that's time. So I'm looking at the bottom. What is happening between 20 and 50 seconds? Well, if I take a look at that line, it's going straight across. It's a flat line. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's not curving. It is just a straight line. So let's go to our reference chart. And there it is. I see that whenever a line is straight across like that, the object is standing still or it's motionless. We might also call that at rest, or you may see the word stationary. They all mean the same thing. They just mean it's just sitting there. It's not doing anything. It's not moving. Okay, so let's go make a text box and answer that question. The object is at rest. Okay, and that's all it's going to take for you to get through these next couple of slides. Just make sure that you are using your reference that is in your class kick. And I do believe you actually wrote these down on your notes. You drew them, so you can use that as well. They are also in Google Classroom if you need to see them.